Today I'm going to walk you through using the point of view tool. The point of view tool assists in creating a realistic end product by applying a grid to prepared surfaces. The grid's height, width, and orientation serve as perspective guides for products, such as wallpaper, when it is applied. This is one of the features found in the Benjamin Moore Virtual Designer Use Your Own Photo feature. Now let's get started. In the Tool palette, select the point of view icon and click Select Tool. Now that the point of view tool has been chosen, click and create a rectangle that covers the entire surface. The rectangle can be manipulated by pulling on the corners or by extending the lines. By hovering over each line, we can see which direction we can move the grid in. By clicking at that point, you can move the grid. Watch as I demonstrate. The grid may move off the screen to achieve the desired results. A good rule of thumb is to line up the boxes within the grid with objects on that particular surface. See how I have aligned my grid with the perspective of the original image below it. Once the grid is aligned, adjust the width and height to match the dimensions of the area. Each box on the grid represents a 12 by 12 inch square. If you know the exact dimensions of the surface, you can input them in. If you don't, a good rule of thumb is that most interior walls tend to be roughly 8 feet high from floor to ceiling. Once we have the height input, we can guess at the width. Add or subtract feet until the rectangles begin to look like squares, at the point closest to the viewer. To add point of view to adjoining walls, click Create and drag the new point of view off of the edge of the old one. You can click and drag from any of the 4 sides. The width and height of the previous point of view will be retained and may need to be adjusted. The point of view on the second surface can be adjusted by following the same steps we used previously. Point of view should be added to each individual surface that will receive any product that is not paint. When you are done, hit Save.